Welcome to the Chuck Williams Culinary Arts Museum at the Culinary Institute of America in downtown Napa. This collection of more than 4,000 culinary artifacts celebrates the craftsmanship, beauty, and diversity of cookware and kitchen tools. Today, we'll be taking a look at this daubière. This copper and iron daubière, also known as a brasserie, dates from 1780 to 1810 in France and functions as a makeshift oven for the open hearth. This rectangular pot has a unique lid with an ingenious purpose. As you can see, the lid overlaps the top of the pot and is also deeply recessed. This ensures that the pot is perfectly sealed, allowing the cook to slowly stew meats and vegetables. The lid also allows the cook to nestle the pot in an open flame and place hot embers on top. The embers would simulate the surrounding heat of an oven to braise the food for hours in a gentle cooking process. This excellent utensil was especially appreciated at the time when hearth cooking was the sole means of meal preparation. Until the Industrial Revolution, ovens were exceedingly rare and only existed in the large kitchens of diplomats, financiers, and a few old noble families. For everyone else, the traditional method of cooking was by using an open flame or hot coals in a fireplace or hearth. The daubière began to evolve into its modern form during the Industrial Revolution when cast iron stoves replaced hearths, fundamentally altering the form and function of many items of cookware. The daubière transformed into a sleeker form to fit into the oven. Chef and historian Auguste Colombi could see the daubière becoming obsolete, but still recognized its utility in modern cookery. With a nostalgic look into the past, he notes in his 1906 cookbook, La Cuisine Bourgeoisie, "Nothing can replace the classic tin-plated copper braising pan, also called daubière, a very special utensil, oblong, remarkable for its height, provided with two handles, closing well with its rimmed lid on which you can put embers." In Georges-Auguste Escoffier's 1903 cookbook, Le Guide Culinaire, he disregards the historical use of the daubière and instructs his readers to place it in the oven with no mention of embers being piled on top. Looking ahead to its role in the culinary future, he included 2 different recipes in his iconic cookbook for braises that use the daubière. The use of copper daubières has diminished over time, but our love of comforting hearty stews and braised meats has not. Today, daubières have been replaced with cast iron Dutch ovens and braisiers, which serve a similar function.